Hello my friends, I have another abstract background for you for Davinci Resolve Fusion. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. Now I will show you how to use it and what's going on here. Alright, once you open the FX library, go on folder where you extracted the file, just drag and drop abstract background number 7. Connect to the media out, and as you can see, this one is solid color. The other one is gradient. Connect to the media out and you will see the gradient. So let me just delete this one and ungroup and show you what's going on here. So basically this one is the background, the yellow background, and these are the lines that are going in pairs. So on top, on top, on top, on top, on top. This one is the background and this one is foreground. As you can see, it's going in pairs, one on top. Yeah, this one, this red line is on top of the other one, and going all the way to the top, to the last lines. As you can see here, rectangle, go to the background, and I made the line. This merge here controls the blend, controls the rotation, and shadow is only shadow under the line. This is all the same for every other line. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.